Hello children, we saw that angle sum property of a triangle. Next, what property you are going to learn is the exterior angle property, and this is also one of the most important property which we are going to learn today. And today also I am going to start by doing an activity related to exterior angle property. So for that, first what you need to do is quickly take a sheet of paper and cut out two triangles. Both should be similar in size and shape. Two congruent triangles you need to cut out. After you cut out the triangle, take one of the triangle and paste it in a sheet just like this. After you paste, continue. After you paste, what you need to do is just mark the angles. You need to mark the angles. I'll just mark this as angle 1. You can give different colors. Angle 2. And here I am marking angle 3. And the property states that exterior angle property. So now it is exterior angle property of a triangle. So now you can see in a triangle, this is a triangle. If one of its side is extended, I am going to extend one of its side here. So when I am extending one of its side, an exterior angle is formed. For the better understanding, I am just naming it A, B and C. Here I am marking it as D. So now this becomes ACD becomes the exterior angle for triangle ABC. I had asked you to cut two triangles. So one triangle I have pasted here, and what you need to do, take the another triangle and mark the same angles in same colors and give the same naming. Okay children, see now the replica has been done and the naming is also done. Now what you need to do, now you have angle ACD. ACD is the exterior angle of triangle ABC. So now what you need to do, when you see ACD, which is the adjacent angle to ACD? The adjacent angle to ACD is ACB. Now which is a angle that is opposite to ACD? Angle opposite to ACD is angle 1 and angle 2. Okay, what we will do now? Now I have the same triangle with same naming. What you need to do is, now we are going to cut out this opposite angles. Now we need to cut angle 1, cut out angle 1 and angle 2. We need to cut out angle 1 and angle 2 like this. You need to cut. Angle 3 is not required. So now we are going to cut out only the opposite angles. After you cut the opposite angles, what you need to do, you have to just place it on the exterior angle. So now ACD is the exterior angle. So we will just place the exterior angle beside this ACB. So like this you can just paste it. Yeah. So now you can observe that when you're placing angle 1 and 2, it forms a straight line and ACD occupies the angle of angle 1 and angle 2. You can see angle 1, this is a combination. ACD is combination of angle 1 and angle 2. So now I will just brief you what is this exterior angle property. So exterior angle property is nothing but the angle exterior angle property states that exterior angle is equal to the sum of interior opposite angle. So, the exterior angle property states that the exterior angle is equal to the sum of interior opposite angle. So, for ACD, the opposite angles are angle 1 and 2. Angle 3 will be the adjacent angle. So, what does the exterior angle property state? The exterior angle property states that the exterior angle of a triangle is always equal to the sum of the interior opposite angle. Okay children, I hope I have made you very much clear with angle sum property and exterior angle property. And let's meet in the next video with some more questions related to angle sum property and exterior angle property. And don't forget to subscribe my channel, like and share it with your friends, and put your comments in the comment box.